Need to find and replace text in Excel files without uploading them? If your Excel files contain financial records, customer information, sales data, or other sensitive information, uploading them to the cloud may not be the best option. With Ninetu File Batcher, all processing takes place locally on your computer. Your files never leave your device. We have about 60 Excel files that need to be updated. We'll replace the status, region, and plan values throughout the worksheet. Let's take a look at the values we need to modify. Launch Ninetu File Batcher. In the left menu, click Excel Tools, find and replace text in Excel. Add multiple Excel files or import a folder. Select the Excel files you want to edit, then click Next. Enter Pending, East, and Standard in the Find field, then enter Completed, North, and Premium in the Replace field. Click the Preview button to review the replacement pairs. Confirm that they're correct. Adjust the processing options as needed. Enable Match Whole Word Only and Highlight, then click Next. If you don't need highlighting, simply uncheck Highlight. Choose an output folder, click Next, and start the process. The files will begin processing immediately. Just wait for the operation to complete. Once processing is finished, review the results, including succeeded, skipped, failed, total time, and the processing log. You can also click Copy to Clipboard to copy the log for later review. Open a sample Excel file to verify that Pending has been replaced with Completed, East with North, and Standard with Premium. The highlighted cells make it easy to review the changes. If you don't need highlighting, simply disable Highlight in Step 2. Finally, use the before and after comparison to confirm that all replacements were applied correctly. On the home page, here are some tips for using the tools. The My Favorites area on the right lets you pin frequently used tools, while the left panel displays your top 5 most tools. Now we are trying to add some commonly used tools. Add your commonly used tools to My Favorites so you can find them quickly next time. Click the icon at the top right of the feature page to view the usage guide. If you run into any problems, open Support from the menu and click New Support Request. Enter a short subject and a detailed description of the issue, and attach screenshots if possible to help us diagnose the problem. You can also provide us with the processing log you just copied. When you've filled everything out, click Submit. We'll review your request promptly and work to resolve the issue so it won't affect your normal use. Stop wasting hours on repetitive file updates. With Ninetu File Batcher, you can batch edit hundreds of files in minutes while keeping your data completely private. No cloud uploads. No data exposure. Work faster, stay secure, and get started today.